Kung kanina seafood challenge ang aming hinarap, ngayon naman sa isang cook-off kami magpapagalingan. Kung gusto niyong matutong lutuin ang paboritong pagkain ng inyong mga off-ha, may mga cooking class na ino-offer sa Busan. Para sa unang Korean dish, ang Busan-style pancake. Pancake na kulay green. Ano kayang lasa niyan? Pakasama natin si Miss Jang Hee. Si Jang Hee ay isa sa estudyante noon ng kilalang chef sa Korea na si Jong Kwan, na napanood din sa series na Chef's Table sa Netflix.
So we're going to make 2 dishes today, and then the first dish is going to be Busan style seafood pancake. They're going to chop the veggies first.
Small size?
5 centimeter, like
5 centimeters.
Okay.
You have a ruler?
Yeah, like
Okay.
this size?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
Perfect.
I run with my mother.
Is she your mother?
No. He's not my son.
Ma!
Pero ang challenge, pagaling nga kami ni Empoy na i-flip ang pancake. Let's do this.
Oh! Wait. How about me? Wait lang. Kaya ko kaya yun? Wait lang. 1, 2, 3. Oh! I expert myself. Very good. You're my favorite daughter.
Ano yan, torta?
Mama,
Torta ba yan?
this is what you call pancake. Ang cake ng mga punk.
Para sa susunod na dish, ang stir-fried octopus. Pero bago kami magsimula, Empoy, anong nangyari sa iyo yan?
Don't do that yourself. Don't do that. Isa gusto niya umupo eh. Isa.
Bago iluto, kailangan munang hiwain ng mga octopus habang gumagalaw-galaw pa. How will I cut that?
Mama, don't be afraid. Octopus is almost dead.
So I need to cut the head.
It's really loud.
Kapag nahiwa na ang octopus, paghahalu-haluin lang ang sangkap at saka ito igigisa. At para husgahan kung sino sa amin ni Empoy ang panalo, ang hurado, syempre dapat Koreano. Ang tour guide namin sa Busan na sina Donnie at Johnny. I-judge sila ang aming luto base sa presentation at syempre sa lasa.
How about the taste?
I think this is better for me. Because this one is like a bit salty for me. But this is yeah, good. Masarap.
Aba, Johnny, ano sinasabi mong maalat? You use the same ingredients. Why salty?
Sorry. I think I have to go home. Yeah, just good looking.
The taste?
This one. Because this one is too salty. Very salty.
Ay, mama, sa'yo salty.
Both are good, but still nice. But when I bite, I think this is a well taste combination of all the ingredients at the same time. Really both are good. This one for me.
Nakatabla pa ng puntos itong si Empoy. 2 points sa kanya at 2 points pa sa akin. It's a tie!
Nagpunta ako sa Busan, ang timbang ko noon is 55. Tapos umuwi ako, 58 na ako. Kaya sobrang busog ako talaga.